Hi everyone, I'm Abdullah Jalal, and today we are going to discuss the three blocks in the LEGO Mindstorm software. So the first one is the display one block, and the second one is the sound block, and the third one is the brick status light. So we are going to discuss this three block in this video, and I'm also going to tell you its uses. So you can use these three blocks as an edit or to give an last effect or artifact to make your robot more interesting and attractive. So, for what does the display block is used for? So, if you are making a robot that looks like a dog, if you want to give it more effect, you can use a display block as an effect. In display block, you can select a face of a dog, or you can use the sound block to give it a sound of dog. And by using the brick status light, you can just show the current status of your robot. So if, for example, is instance, your robot have seen an obstacle front of it, your robot brick status lights be on off, and it will show the red color that there's an obstacle front of it. But if the obstacle is nowhere in front of it, you can show the green color light basically. So let's get move to it, the Lego Mindstorm software. So at here we in the down below the bottom, we are going to grab the display block. So here's the display block. So at here, here's this section, the file name. So from here you can select the display, the images of cartoons. So from here, as you can see, the file of eyes. So from here you can just, so by using this file you can select the eye. For example, if I want to show that my robot's awake, I just will select the awake option. So it's saying showing the awake one, or black eye, angry one, bottom eye. So you can select it according to your robot, in what status your robot is. And in the next file you can see Lego. From here, so for example, you want to show some cartoon images, for example bomb, you can just select on the bomb, or you can say boom. There's many and various type of images that you can use to express your robot status like. So there are many of robots that can make your robot more interesting and attractive. And at here you can see a lot of new photos. So you can use any of it to make your robot more interesting and attractive. And that's and from here you can see the shape option. So from here you can just click on circle. It will show the circle on your brick screen, or text. If you want to show a text on your brick screen, you can just select the text option and write the text. So this is how you use the display block in the Lego Mindstorm software. It is used for to make your robot more attractive and interesting. And let's move to the sound block. So what does the sound block is used for? So basically, the sound block is used to make your robot look alike, or to make your robot more alive. So you can use the Lego Monster file sounds. From here, you can select any sound effects of an animal. For example, if I select cat purr, it will just make a sound of cat. So there are many types of sounds you can select. But if I select, if you want to make a sound of color, Here's a lot of different various type of color you can. So here's how it's work. So by using the sound block, you can produce a sound in your Lego Mindstorm robot. And let's move to the brake status light and see that how you can use it. So the brake status light is basically used to show a light that express the status of your robot. For instance, your robot is in danger. So to express that it's in danger, you can use a brake status light block to produce a red light. So here it has just three options. If you select the on option, it will show the light, but if you select the off option, it won't work. This block won't work. But if you select the on option, it will produce a light. So here are the three main light: green, which is used for safe or ready status; yet orange, which is used for like in process; or red. You can also use red if to express your robot in danger or having an obstacle front of it. And at here you can see where the pulse turn on. So what does this thing does? So its default is true, means that it will show the brake status light, but if you select the off option, it won't select the it won't produce basically the brake light. So that's how these three blocks are used in your robot. So these three blocks are basically used to make your robot more attractive and interesting. For example, you are having a competition in your class and uh, everyone have made their robot, but to make your robot more interesting and attractive as compared to your another group partners, you can use these three blocks to make your robot more interesting and attractive. And by using these three blocks, you can win. You can also win the competition. So these three blocks are used for making your robot more attractive and interesting. So that was for today, and I hope you will like the video. If you did, just comment down below in the description below and like the video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Goodbye.